Alexa, open Sanjeev Kapoor recipes.
Hi and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor's recipe powered by Clove Chef. This is the only thing that you will ever need when it comes to easy and interactive cooking experience. With best of recipes from across the world and step-by-step instructions on how to make them. We are going to help you master the art of cooking and make sure you have lots of fun while you cook.
Let's make something awesome with Sanjeev Kapoor recipes powered by Clove Chef. What would you like to prepare today?
Lebanese pilaf.
I have a video summary of Lebanese pilaf provided by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Would you like to see it? Or shall we start cooking?
Show me the overview.
This recipe serves 4 people. The ingredients are 1½ cups of rice, ½ cup of vermicelli, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts or chilgoza, 2 tablespoons of sultanas, 3 cups of vegetable stock, and fresh parsley. Would you like a video summary?
No.
Would you like to start cooking?
No.
No problem. Do you want to try any other recipe?
No.
Okay, let's cook something up soon.